Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your NVIDIA cache to improve your game's performance and to fix any unwanted stuttering. So I'll start by mentioning that once we've deleted our NVIDIA cache, when you first load up your games, there might be a temporary delay while the shaders are still being regenerated. But after this shader cache has been regenerated, they will run a lot smoother than before. So we're going to start by just heading over to the start menu, and you need to search for NVIDIA control panel, and then just head over to this icon here, and from the left we need to come inside of manage 3D settings and then scroll down this list until you find shader cache size. Now before we can delete our cache, we need to disable this option. So we're going to come to the drop down here and set this to disabled, and then you'll need to close out of this window and it will ask you if you want to save, so just press yes. So once we've done that, we'll need to head back over to the start menu, this time search for run and then come into the run icon. From the search box, we need to type in %, local app data, %, and hit enter. And then scroll all the way down until you find the NVIDIA folder. Come inside of NVIDIA here, inside of GL cache, and then we'll need to delete any folders inside of it. Now I only have one folder to delete in here. You might have multiple folders, but we just need to select everything inside of here and then right click and select the trash icon to delete it. We're then going to select app data from the top here, come into this folder called local low, come inside of NVIDIA, inside of per driver version, DX cache, and once again we're going to delete everything inside of here just by pressing Ctrl A on our keyboard, right clicking and then pressing the trash icon to delete them. Now if you get this message pop up saying that some files can't be deleted, you can just restart your computer at this point and then come back to this folder, and then you should be able to delete everything inside of him. Or if there's only a couple of files that are left over, we can just leave these inside of him. And then the next thing you need to do is head back over to the start menu and this time search for disk cleanup and then come over to the disk cleanup tool. So you need to uncheck all of these options down here, and the only one we want to check is this DirectX shader cache. Then we can press OK at the bottom here, and this will give us a confirmation message, so just press delete files. And once we've done that, we're going to head back over to the start menu and search for run, come over to the run icon, and then search for %temp, %, and hit enter. And then we're just going to select everything inside of here by pressing Ctrl A. And we're going to right click and select the trash icon. Select do this for all current items and hit continue. And once again, you might be left with a few files and folders in here, which is absolutely fine. We're just going to close out of this window, and we're now going to head over to our recycle bin on our desktop, right click on the recycle bin and then just select empty recycle bin. So now that we've emptied our recycle bin, the last thing we need to do is just re-enable our shader cache. And we can do that by heading back over to the start menu, searching for NVIDIA control panel, and from the left come back into manage 3D settings. Scroll all the way down to the shader cache size, and we're now going to re-enable this to what it was before. So for me, it was set to driver default, or you could just set this to 100 GB for maximum performance. Obviously, just ensure that you have adequate space on your C drive, and then we can close out of here to save our changes. And once you've followed all of these steps, your computer should now be running a lot smoother, and that should have fixed any game stuttering issues you were experiencing. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.